How long should I thaw frozen lobster tails?
Hello there, seafood lovers. Today we're going to tackle a topic that can make or break your seafood feast: how to properly thaw frozen lobster tails. It's not as simple as leaving them out on the counter and hoping for the best. But don't worry, we've got the best advice to help you get it right every time.
Why proper thawing matters.
Why is proper thawing so important? Because the way you thaw your lobster tails can have a huge impact on the final taste and texture of your dish. Improper thawing can lead to rubbery lobster or, even worse, foodborne illness. But with the right technique, you can have perfectly tender and safe lobster tails ready for cooking.
The refrigerator thawing method.
The safest way to thaw frozen lobster tails is in the refrigerator. This method keeps the lobster at a safe temperature throughout the thawing process. To use this method, 1. Take the frozen lobster tails out of the freezer and put them in a leak-proof plastic bag if they aren't already in one. 2. Place the bag in a bowl or other container to catch any drips. 3. Put the container in the refrigerator. Typically, it takes about 24 hours to thaw 1 pound of lobster in the refrigerator. So, if your lobster tails are about 1/4 pound each, you should allow them to thaw for 6 to 8 hours. Remember, the key here is to plan ahead.
The cold water thawing method.
If you're short on time, you can use the cold water thawing method. This method is quicker than refrigerator thawing but requires more attention. To use this method, 1. Place your frozen lobster tails in a leak-proof plastic bag if they aren't already in one. 2. Submerge the bag in cold water. 3. Change the water every 30 minutes until the lobster is thawed. Using this method, lobster tails should thaw in about 30 minutes per pound, so if your tails are about 1/4 pound each, they should be ready to cook in about 1 to 2 hours. And that's it, folks. With the right thawing method, you'll be able to enjoy perfectly tender, safe, and delicious lobster tails. Remember, planning is key, and ensure you maintain a safe temperature throughout the thawing process to avoid any risk of foodborne illness. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to hear about your successful seafood feasts.